Hair's gotta be big. Gotta be big.
Wow.
Woo. Hello, we're in California, if you haven't noticed. I didn't do my nails, darn it. Let's bring it closer.
Impress. Impress
Yeah.
us.
Well, hold on. This is just too much. There we go.
Picture needs to be centered, so that doesn't work. What's today's video?
Today we are unboxing some items that we got on Amazon.
Huge unboxing.
I mean, huge unboxing.
Should we just get right into it?
Yeah, let's get right into it. Hey, if you like this video, make sure to like and subscribe below. We're saying, oh, we need some scissors.
Okay, we're back.
BRB, as the kiddos say. You guys, what is it that can get rid of this besides Botox? I really can't afford Botox. Unless someone wants to sponsor me, then you can help my 11s. It's like an 11 with a line under it now. Good one.
Got my brie cheese.
Can't eat that while we're doing a video.
Yes, I can.
And action. You're really gonna eat cheese?
Do you want some cheese?
No, thank you. Love a mason jar and a straw. Mm. Oh.
Okay.
Apple juice is just. Ugh. All right. So first up we have. So this says alarm clock, digital dual for the bedroom. So just in case. Oh, we just got something delivered. Your swimsuit.
Ooh.
Want to open this one? This one just came in the mail.
This is a real unboxing.
Scissors.
Oh, wait.
Look how cute.
Oh, wait. The sticker's upside down.
Okay, let's see. She smelled it. Oh, it's cute. I love the fabric.
Okay, here are the bottoms.
Oh, that might be mine.
High rise.
High rise. Can I look at them? Oh, it's a nice fabric. Stretchy. Maybe this would fit over my bum.
There's the
I don't know.
top.
That's really cute. Go closer to the camera there. Oh, wow.
Yeah. Oh, it's like off the shoulder crop kind of thing going on.
That's really cute. And on the thing said you could wear it like this underneath. You could wear it one shoulder up, other shoulder up, obviously.
Whoa.
Or both shoulders. You could wear it shoulders down or shoulders up.
Whoa.
That's 5 ways,
So many.
people. 5 ways you could wear this. This is from Marina Vida. Isn't that cute? Love it. Love it. Woohoo! Okay.
Alright.
Okay. Next up. We were doing this one before and then I got the Amazon thing that came in the mail. Okay, look how cute this is. Alarm clock radio. This is it. Ooh. Look at this. Darling. Oh, darling. Can't say darling.
Iconic.
Oh, this is iconic.
I don't know. That's back to darling.
Okay, look at this button. How
Wow.
nice that'll be when she's trying to wake up. It's so hard. Our family is plagued with being night owls. Well, my husband isn't anyway. But look at there's USB things. 2.
That's nice.
Charge your phone and your power bank in the middle of the night. Yeah. And then it comes with has a little charger, or not charger, but a plug-in or batteries. So I love that. Because the thing is with your phone, so it takes 3 AA's. When you use your phone, sometimes you need a backup. Backup alarm clock.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, so there's that alarm clock. Oh, yes. CAPSPACE.
Loving the
Little special box. Must be something special in there. Oh boy. Okay, you guys. This is the problem. The problem is I inherited my grandmother's feet. And when I was younger, I had no problems with them until I got older and I realized that my feet are disgusting.
This is really cute.
So literally it's a constant battle to shave off the grandma feet.
It's like a cheese grater.
It's a
You should grate your
on camera?
No, like over spaghetti. Like Parmesan. Tell me when.
Wow. That's my child. That's a razor. That's a razor. So this is a little razor thingy. You clip this in here. And you have to soak your feet for a while and it just gets the dead skin off. But this is really cute. Look, it's like wood. Very classy. Cheese grater for your feet. Honestly, we need it. We need it. Also comes with 10 blades.
Whoa.
Love that little guy. Okay,
The next
yay! Okay.
Lasting matte. Get right into it. Oh,
But it's backwards.
We're getting right into it.
Getting right into this. Getting right in. Here we go. Let's do this.
Let's do it.
Like, why don't you try two and I'll try two.
Okay.
You know how they do it on the makeup videos? They're like this. See them?
Wow. We should swatch them.
Yes, we should.
Okay. These are the colors. They're super dark. Super dark.
I think they'll probably calm down a little bit. So I'm gonna try number 3. Whoa. It's so hard to do things backwards. I'm gonna do this one. So how do you do it like this?
It says, wait, it says.
Oh.
Instructions: draw lines from middle of lips to edges. Sketch lip lines from left to right, or left or right side to middle on lower lip. Fulfill lips by lip lining lightly. Fuse the lip balm naturally when color lips. It looks better on camera.
Yeah, it does, doesn't it? Okay, let me do it back here. I actually really like the color. Okay, so it's a little bit darker than I would like, but it's not bad. So definitely this is a lip stain,
Like,
which I'm okay with. This is with coconut oil trying to get it off. But like when you're going about your day, I kind of like that it's like really not going to come off. But for the winter, I like a darker lip. I feel like it's wintry. I like this color a lot, actually. I guess I could see why they would do that. So it's backwards. Best matte lip gloss. Lasting matte. I like this one. Look at my highlight.
ooh, girl, you shining like a diamond in the sky.
I like that one. All right, what's next? More fun stuff.
Lavender foot peel exfoliating
okay.
mask.
I got. You know what this is? You know how there's those videos on Facebook and Instagram, and it was the people wearing the booties like this. Yeah, and then yes, this is a double yes. Okay, so this is like a foot peel. So you leave it on for 90 minutes. After 7 to 10 days, all your dead skin cells peel off. Again, I need this for my grandma feet.
Their
Oh,
collection of lip glosses.
okay. Let's show everybody what it is.
The branding is not my favorite, but
Popfeel. I like. Here's the colors. I like the colors. I like a lighter lip.
I want to do nude.
Okay, why don't you do the nude? So there's 1, 2, 3, 6 of these. I can count.
Whoa.
I can count.
How much?
Oh, yeah, get a little closer. Get a little closer.
Wow.
Woo.
Alright, I'm gonna do this matte or nude.
Maybe I
shade.
should try to. So to get these off, you got to use coconut oil.
Matte lip cream is
That's
what
the
it
key.
says. Popfeel.
Oh, whoa. I'm gonna try a red. Christmas time. This is what I'm gonna try.
I'll see.
Oh, I like this one. Popfeel, I'm feeling ya. All right, what's next?
You do one.
Okay. Oh, we've got this guy.
Oh, I want to try this out.
Okay, it's like a face massager kit. Face stuff I'm always intrigued because as a more mature woman, you actually have to start doing stuff to help your face.
Oh, that's
Okay.
cute.
Yeah, look at this. Okay, so this is the vitamin C serum
Is that
stuff.
the same thing? As
Yes. Yeah, it's the exact same. So it's 20% hyaluronic acid. Don't know how to say that. And has all kinds of good stuff in it. Vitamin C. It needs a AA battery, not included. Ooh.
Another foot thing.
Another foot thing.
So you could do one of brand, and I'll do the other brand.
Oh.
And then see. Oh, it landed on your eye.
Okay.
See which one wins. So this one looks. I like the packaging better on this one.
Yeah.
My Little Beauty.
My Little Beauty.
Okay.
Get it on Amazon.
And yeah. So we'll see.
Got an extra little fuzzy in this one. So, just in case you need an extra fuzz. We're not going to open it.
Oh. And then I guess we. Oh, whoa! Careful.
Don't smell anything. Don't smell anything. So, we'll have to get back to you on the sniff test. All right.
Next item. Wait, where's the other one?
It's upstairs.
So I just do one.
Sure.
A horse brush. What is?
No, so what this is, I think they call it a scalp massager that you can do. But what I found is really good is that, so my sister-in-law, Devaney, hi Devaney, she gave me some It Works like toning cream. And so what I've been doing is, you're supposed to massage it in. So I put it on, and then it's really easy when you have, when it's all slippery. And you just, cellulite, go away, cellulite, go away. Just like that. Whoa, she didn't know what she got into. My chin looks really, is it this big in normal life? Is it? Is it?
Okay, next item. Let's not scare away our viewers. Our viewer would probably only get Nana to watch it.
Hi, Nana! Okay, what's next, darling daughter? I'll be totally normal from now on. Oh, yes! Oh, let's put one on. Okay.
I want to do it.
I know, we're going to do it
Let's
together,
do
and then we'll
it.
keep going.
I love, first of all, that they spelled steps wrong on the packaging.
It's pretty awesome.
Iconic, except it's backwards, so. But it looks like this. Okay. Oh, yeah, let's.
Okay. Let's open this baby up. I love the 1, 2, 3 steps on the front. Okay. Okay. Oh, it's got an extra little hole ready to go. Okay.
Oh, you just.
Woo! Okay, so step 1.
Step down. Oh, a little
Wait.
booklet. What? What?
It's called One Spring.
What?
One Spring.
What is so funny about that?
It says black sucked out.
Mom.
Export blackheads.
Mom.
Pour smaller essence. Black sucked out. That's funny. That's funny.
Okay.
Export export the blackheads. That's what we want to do. Is
Okay,
export.
I think you have to do all three.
Oh, right. Okay. Here
Step
we go.
1. Prep face or area to be treated by applying hot towel treatment. Place a warm, moist cloth on face. Lay back and relax for 2 minutes until cloth has
Smells
cooled.
good. Actually, doesn't
Remove
really smell too much.
Cloth.
Oh.
Oh.
Burning! It feels like water.
Remove cloth. Saturate cotton pads. Are those not
Okay.
included?
No cotton pads. She's upset.
With step 1, blackhead extraction
Black
serum.
That's really funny. Okay.
So how long do we keep it on? Or
Um,
do you? Place cotton pads and leave on skin.
what does that even mean?
For 8 to 10.
It says hyaluronic blackheads pores trilogy suits. What's a trilogy suit? Okay, wow. Oh, that's wow. Okay, so while she's doing that, I will do. Oh, I'm really excited about these. She's my guru. Okay, this is a couple things. Number 1, it's beeswax food wraps. Have you guys heard of this? Look how cute this is. Look how cute that is. Is you use this instead of plastic on like food items that you want to wrap up. And I just always want to know what this would feel like. So it kind of feels waxy. And then waxy. Feels waxy.
Oh.
And then, okay, so say we had this, oh, she's done. We had this little cup that we want, say we put like tomatoes in it. Yeah. Then you go like this. Sealed. And then it's reusable, so then you just open it up. Done, but I don't know. Okay, so it says, so there's this size. I think these are like $17 on Amazon. There's a big size. And then I love this idea because it saves, it's reusable. You're not doing plastic in the old landfills.
I'm just applying with my
Hand?
face, but it's dripping everywhere.
Oh, I don't know if that's gonna work. Okay. Let's just do some on your nose. Did you get your nose? And then, yeah, that's really awesome. So, it smells like, kind of smells like mint, actually. I don't know. So then to clean it when you're done, just wash it with cool water and mild dish soap and then air dry. So it's not suitable for wrapping meat or hot food, but it is good for like lunches, veggies, fruits, snacks, and more. So I think that's really fun.
Is this along with it, or is this something else?
Yeah, that's along with it. So this is like reusable veggie bags. So I think you take this to the grocery store, and like if you want to, it's like reusable.
That is genius.
So,
I hate using those bags.
I know. So it's really light, and yeah, I think these are super cute. I really like these. Don't you?
Hmm.
And it has a little drawstring, so you put your oranges or whatever in there. Whoop.
Wow.
And then you don't have to use the plastic. So I really like that. Those are really cute. They're fun. So I would just keep these in my car with my other grocery bags that I always forget to bring into the store with me. I'm working on that. Oh, dude, that was a weird one. Chirping. Okay, you ready to put that on your face?
I have to wait 5 minutes.
Oh, 5 minutes. You got a timer going?
Oh, yeah.
Okay, next up
Wait,
is...
let's do this one so that we'll be done with this box.
Okay. Oh, this is really fun. I like this one.
Okay. This up here.
Oh, now you. Yeah, that was.
Ooh, oh my good. Oh my goodness.
Are you supposed to show them what's in there?
What? Okay, here we go. The first thing that's in here is this cute little like bag. It's super cute. Inside are scissors to help cut what's gonna come next. That is
Genius.
genius. And you keep. Wait. It's to file it down. Wow. These guys, I like these. I like this. Okay, and this is to hold all your thingies.
Okay, so here's the box. Overlooked Essentials on Amazon.
Okay, here's the big reveal.
Oh,
Boom.
so cute.
Felt letterboard. And then
That's
here
really cute.
are all of the letters and such. Open it. But okay, wow, they gave you literally everything. That is so thoughtful.
Yeah.
Because
She's done this before. She knows.
I cut all these and they still have little nubs and it took me like
the
an hour.
nubs. Gotta
So,
file
yeah.
off the nubs.
Wow.
So there's like stars. There's some emoji faces.
There's this, so that's dope.
That's really cute. Can you see all the
So
different
cute.
ones?
Oh, those are cute.
There's hearts.
I like these.
I really like this. These are really darling.
So you cut it
Yeah, show them how to do it.
with these scissors.
I'll be your helper. Oh!
Okay.
Did that fit you in the face?
Now we retrieve the letter.
Did they have a face retriever? It's not face retriever. What would that be? Oh my goodness, it's really gone. Oh, it was under your foot.
Okay, so
Under your
now gonna like trim it.
Trim the nub.
Get the filer that is so
That's really helpful.
maybe. You could try.
You don't want to cut the. Maybe the heart was really.
Well,
bad.
yeah. So
Anyway, so then you proceed
then
like so.
you put the letter on the board.
This. Here's the board. I think this is really cute for like first day of school. Ooh, ooh.
So then when you're done,
When you're done.
take it off, put it in the letter bag.
Wow, 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 wow.
In the bag.
And the scissors.
Put it all together.
Brilliant. Thank you.
Because we've gotten these boards and we haven't had one of these.
Right.
And
It's essential.
I don't know where they are.
Absolute. You,
I know where they are. Of course.
she lost my letters.
I know exactly.